Are you tired of the same old workout routines that leave you feeling uninspired and bored? Unlock your inner dancer and sculpt your dream body with our home dance pole kits. It's time to turn up the heat and add some excitement to your fitness journey. Introducing our state-of-the-art home dance pole kits, the ultimate way to unleash your inner dancer and sculpt the body of your dreams, all from the comfort of your own home. Why choose our home dance poles? Because fitness meets fun. Say goodbye to repetitive, boring gym workouts. Pole fitness combines the exhilaration of dancing with the effectiveness of a full-body workout. You'll have so much fun, you won't even realize you're burning calories and toning your muscles. Our sleek and sturdy dance poles are designed with your safety and satisfaction in mind. Crafted from high-quality materials, they are stable and secure, ensuring you can dance with confidence. No need for a handyman. Our pole kits are easy to install and come with clear instructions. Within minutes, you'll have a sturdy pole ready for action. Dance lessons are included so you can learn to dance right away. Our dance poles are easy to adjust. Height adjustable to fit most homes and studios. Pole fitness engages your core, arms, legs, and glutes, helping you achieve a toned physique that you'll be proud to show off. As you master new moves and gain strength, your confidence will soar. Embrace the empowerment that comes with mastering your body and expressing yourself through pole fitness dancing. Privacy and convenience are another perk. No need to hit the crowded gym or worry about prying eyes. With our home dance pole kits, you can dance in the privacy of your own space, whenever it suits you. Don't let another day go by without experiencing the thrill of dancing your way to a healthier, sexier you. Our home dance poles are the perfect addition to your fitness routine, offering a unique and enjoyable way to achieve your fitness goals. So, are you ready to transform your life, one dance move at a time? Click the link below to learn more. Your dream body is just a dance away.